Welcome to Survive on a Budget Made Easy. Your home for all the info you need to know when you're just trying to survive on a budget. I'm at GT's Handimart in Cascade, Maryland. I did a video on Cascade, Maryland. I went in and ordered some fried chicken and some coleslaw and some macaroni salad. So we're going to go ahead and do a review video on the food. More on that right after this. Okay, welcome back to Survive on a Budget Made Easy. Got my tray, link below. Get a little hand sanitizer. Doop, doop. I got Blue Dog here with me. Now, the meal comes with 6 rolls, get down, coleslaw, looks like really good coleslaw, and get down, macaroni salad. It's 12 pieces for $19.95, which I think is an awesome deal. Too much food I was taking at home. Somebody I know's here. Hey, yeah, good luck with everything. Hey, hope you get back to work soon.
I heard today, I texted the guys up there, said it might not be no bag. Let's go fucking around trying to get on the board.
Really?
Now the one roll of shit paper, I'm on mission now looking for shit paper.
Oh, well, I know Dollar General and Fayetteville had some.
Go down there to the next store, they had some the other day.
Good luck.
Yeah, I'll start to use the evening, yeah. Take the plate in your hand.
Yeah. Okay. I ain't getting no silverware. I guess I should have asked. But it also comes with butter. Here's my chicken. Oh man, it smells amazing. Looks like they sealed the bag. Oh no, it may be Ziploc. We're gonna find out. Ziploc. Okay, I found a spoon and some napkins. There, that's what I was looking for, the leg. Legs are my favorite. What's your favorite piece of chicken? Leave a comment down below. Oh. Oh, sweet baby Jesus. Oh my God. That, oh, that's good. It's kind of hot, buddy. Yeah. Oh my God. I went to KFC a while back. Forget what I got, but it was totally disappointing. Totally. I can't believe KFC used to be your measurement of greatness when it came to chicken. Not anymore. Trust me, not anymore. Oh my God. This is really good. I'm going to give him a little piece. I'm just letting it cool off because it's really hot. And I'm dumb enough to burn my mouth. I don't want him to do it. There you go. So, let's go ahead, try the coleslaw. Oh man, I'm not a real big fan of the small cut coleslaw, you know what I mean, little pieces. I like bigger pieces, but oh my god, that is so good. I can learn to like that better than the big cut coleslaw. Real quick, wipe off my spoon, put that to the side. Oh my god, that's really good. Macaroni salad. That's really good. That's really good too. Well, for a little town convenience store, I'm really impressed. That chicken, oh sweet baby Jesus. Oh my god. That's amazing. It really is. Let me try one of the rolls real fast. They look like store-bought rolls, to be honest. So I'll try these at home. But if you're in Cascade, Maryland, or anywhere near Cascade, Maryland, let's say a half hour, 45 minutes away, it's well worth the trip. I don't know if they have a link or anything, but I'll try to put it down below. But I gotta give everything across the board a 5. It's really amazing. I'm really impressed by it. And for the price, oh, for the price, it's, yeah, out of this world. But if you're in the area, definitely stop by, give it a try. I'm gonna head on back to where I'm staying, home for now, I guess, and eat some more, give him some more. Okay, yeah, 5 out of 5 across the board, man. If I give you guys more, I would. It's really amazing. Definitely stop by. The people are friendly. It has a nice small town atmosphere. Just be sure to, if you're going to eat in the parking lot like I did, ask for silverware and napkins and stuff. I'm sure they have it. Do me a favor, click on the subscribe button somewhere up here. And as always, thank you for watching.